Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Chetna Patel from LP Samani Group of School. Okay students, now in this particular session I'm going to continue with the chapter from the diary of Annie Frank, and this will be your last video from this chapter. Fine? Okay. Now just a flashback about what we discussed last in this chapter there. The last thing what we discussed in this chapter is that Annie Frank was assigned an extra homework from her teacher, Mr. Casing, because of her talkative nature. Okay. Now, she just did not want to complete the task, but rather she wanted to justify herself as to why it is necessary for the students to talk, and that is why she has mentioned convincing argument about it in her essay, and she managed to write 3 pages about it. Fine. Okay, now let us continue with the chapter there. But that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit, since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more, and that there's not much you can do about inherited traits. Okay, now what do you mean by inherited traits? Qualities, physical or mental, that one gets from one's parents. Fine. Okay, now here she has mentioned about the 2 convincing argument. The very first thing, that talking is a student's trait, that is a quality. The second, this particular trait, personality trait, she has inherited from her mother, so even if she tries, she will not be able to control over it. Okay, so these are the 2 convincing arguments which she has mentioned in her essay in order to justify herself about her talkative nature. Fine. Okay, moving on to the next paragraph. Mr. Casing had a good laugh at my arguments, but when I proceeded to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me a second essay. This time it was supposed to be on an incorrigible chatterbox. Fine? Okay. Now the next day, when Annie Frank went to school, she submitted her essay and rather had a talk about it with her maths teacher. After reading or after getting to know about her argument and all, Mr. Casing had a laugh at it. But on the contrary, she was being assigned a second essay, and this time it was on an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible means something that cannot be corrected, usually a bad quality. Okay, now students, yes, though it has been said as a bad quality, but the teacher here is not trying to humiliate or but just it was on a light mode, that means on a jovial part. Okay, fine. Moving further, I handed it in, and Mr. Casing had nothing to complain about for the whole lessons. However, during the 3rd lesson, he would finally had enough. Annie Frank, as a punishment for talking in the class, write an essay entitled "Quack, Quack, Quack," said Mistress Chatterbox. Right? Okay. Yes. Now, as she has already convincingly said that it is a inherited trait which she cannot do anything about it. So, hereafter, there were many essays were being assigned to her about chatterbox, and every time it had a different adjective along with that. Okay, so this is how they. Okay, hereafter, on a regular basis, she was being assigned an essay on chatterbox, but every time it had a different adjective. Okay, till she completed on the last topic was quack quack chatterbox. Fine. Okay, moving further. The class roared. I had to laugh too, though I was nearly exhausted. My ingenuity on the topic of chatterboxes. Fine. Okay. Now, every time when she was being asked to write an essay on chatterboxes, and when she presented her topic, everybody had a laugh, and her maths teacher had no other alternative but to join with the class there. Fine. Okay. Now he went on giving the topic on chatterbox till her originality and inventiveness went on. Fine. Moving further. It was time to come up with something else, something original. My friend Sen, who's good at poetry, offered me to write the essay from beginning to end in verse, and I jumped for joy. Yes. Now, after writing essay on the same topic, Annie Frank was been tired or was been bored of writing the same thing again and again and again. And that is why she thought of taking a help from one of his friend named San, who used to write poetry. And her friend also promised to help her out in writing the verse. Fine. Okay. Now, as her friend promised to help her out, there was no bound to her joy. Mr. Casing was trying to play a joke on me with this ridiculous subject, but I would make sure the joke was on him. Okay, so here her maths teacher was trying to make fun about her in the class by giving her the same topic and by just adding a few words to it every now and then. But rather, Annie Frank turned the table, that is to change the situation on her teacher, and rather, instead of she being targeted, but the joke went on him. I finished my poem and it was beautiful. It was about a mother duck and a father swam with the 3 baby ducklings who were beaten to death by the father because they quacked too much. Luckily, Mr. Casing took the joke the right way. Okay, students. Now try to understand how Annie Frank turned the tables on her maths teacher by writing the poem on him. Now try to understand what Annie Frank is trying to say through this poem. The poem is about the mother duck and a father swam with the 3 baby ducklings. Okay, now they were beaten to death. That means by the father. Now who is a father over here? Father is considered as Mr. Casing there, who is turned out to be a cruel person by bringing an end to her baby duckling there just because of making noise. Okay, so making noise here means who? Yes, Annie Frank and all. Okay, but yes, Mr. Casing took it in a very right way, in a very positive way, and rather he recited the poem in front of the whole class with his own comments and notions. Not only in Annie Frank's class, but he rather read it in several other classes also. Okay, and thereafter, on a regular basis, Mr. Casing made jokes every day, and Annie Frank hereafter did not have to write any essay on a topic called chatterbox. And not only that, but rather she was also allowed to talk and continue with her talking there. Fine. Okay, so this is all about from the diary of Annie Frank, and the question answer part we will discuss it when we meet on online classes. Okay, that's all. Have a nice day.